Hi, everyone. My name is Kara Tang, and I'm going to tell you about the GenCyber Instructor Survival Kit. This is a capacity building project to share lesson plans and curriculum materials used in GenCyber camps. So if you are a new camp looking for some materials, we've got some materials for you. If you are not a new camp, but you want to try some new things or see what else is out there in terms of lesson plans and curriculum that you can use in your camp, we have materials for you. If you would like to contribute your materials, maybe you have a really cool activity and you want to share it with others, we would love to have your submissions onto this collection. This collection is hosted on Clark in the GenCyber collection. You have probably already heard of Clark, but if not, you can check it out at the URL clark.center. And to see the GenCyber collection, go to Collections and GenCyber. We currently have 91 curriculum objects in that collection that cover a wide variety of topics appropriate for GenCyber camps. The team associated with this project includes the nonprofit Secure Ed, who has done most of the work on this project, and that's Blair Taylor, Sid Kaza, Paige Zalepa, as well as some other folks helping out on the Secure Ed team. I am Kara Tang from Portland Community College, and thank you for your attention about this GenCyber Instructor Survival Kit. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or any of the Secure Ed team, and we would love to talk to you about either accessing these materials or contributing your materials for this collection.